The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for installing recessed lighting fixtures in showers to ensure safety. Firstly, regarding location, Article 410.10 states that recessed lighting fixtures must be installed at least 9 feet above the floor and outside the shower stall or bathtub enclosure. Secondly, concerning the enclosure, Article 410.16 dictates that fixtures must be listed for damp locations and have a gasketed cover plate. Thirdly, Article 410.18 says that a junction box must be accessible and secure to the ceiling. Fourthly, regarding wire connections, Article 400.9 states that electrical connections must be made with approved methods and materials. Fifthly, concerning grounding, Article 250.130 requires the fixture to be properly grounded. Article 410.90 subsection F addresses exposed parts. It mandates that the exposed parts of recessed lighting fixtures within a shower stall or bathtub enclosure must be made of plastic or other non-metallic materials. However, Article 410.90 subsection E states that exposed parts of recessed lighting fixtures outside a shower stall or bathtub enclosure that are more than 9 feet above the floor may be metallic if they are not within reach of occupants. Beyond the code, additional considerations are important. Fixtures should be rated for the heat and humidity conditions of a bathroom. The electrical circuit supplying the recessed lighting fixture must be protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. It is recommended that recessed lighting fixtures be installed by a qualified electrician according to the manufacturer's instructions. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards, and it is crucial to follow all applicable codes to prevent electrical hazards. The minimum height requirement of 9 feet for recessed lighting above the floor ensures that fixtures are beyond the reach of individuals in the shower or bathtub, minimizing the risk of electric shock. The damp location listing for fixtures means that the fixture has been tested and approved for use in humid environments. The gasketed cover plate provides a watertight seal to prevent moisture from entering the fixture and causing corrosion or electrical problems. The requirement for an accessible junction box is important for future maintenance and repairs. The junction box houses the electrical connections for the fixture and must be easily accessible without having to remove the fixture itself. Approved methods and materials for wire connections include using properly sized wire connectors and ensuring that all connections are tight and secure. Proper grounding of the fixture is essential to provide a safe path for electrical current in the event of a fault. This helps to prevent electric shock. The use of plastic or other non-metallic materials for exposed parts within the shower or bathtub enclosure further reduces the risk of electric shock. Plastic is a non-conductive material and will not transmit electricity. The heat resistance rating ensures that the fixture can withstand the high temperatures and humidity levels typically found in bathrooms. A GFCI is a device that monitors the electrical current flowing through a circuit. If it detects a difference between the incoming and outgoing current, which could indicate a ground fault, it will quickly trip the circuit and shut off the power. This helps to prevent electric shock. A qualified electrician has the training and experience to properly install recessed lighting fixtures in accordance with the NEC and the manufacturer's instructions. They can also ensure that the installation is safe and compliant with all applicable codes. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for the most up-to-date requirements. Electrical codes can vary depending on the jurisdiction. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it is important to stay current with the latest changes. When selecting recessed lighting fixtures for a shower or bathroom, choose fixtures that are specifically designed for wet or damp locations. These fixtures will have the appropriate seals and gaskets to protect against moisture. Consider using LED recessed lighting fixtures. LED are energy efficient, long-lasting, and produce very little heat. This can help to reduce energy costs and extend the life of the fixture. When installing recessed lighting fixtures, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. This will help to ensure that the fixtures are installed correctly and safely. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install the recessed lighting fixtures for you. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and it is always best to err on the side of caution. Regularly inspect recessed lighting fixtures for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you notice any problems, have the fixture repaired or replaced by a qualified electrician. The NEC also addresses other aspects of electrical safety in bathrooms, such as the placement of receptacles and switches. Be sure to follow all applicable codes to ensure a safe electrical environment. For example, receptacles in bathrooms must be GFCI protected. Switches should be located outside the shower or bathtub enclosure. The NEC also specifies the types of wiring methods that are permitted in bathrooms. Use only approved wiring methods for all electrical installations. The NEC is a living document that is constantly being updated to reflect new technologies and safety concerns. Stay informed about the latest changes to the code to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. The NEC provides detailed information on the proper sizing of conductors for lighting circuits. Be sure to use conductors of the correct size to prevent overheating and electrical hazards. The NEC also specifies the types of overcurrent protection devices that are required for lighting circuits. Use only approved overcurrent protection devices to protect against short circuits and overloads. The NEC provides guidance on the proper installation of lighting fixtures in suspended ceilings. Follow these guidelines to ensure that the fixtures are properly supported and secured. The NEC also addresses the use of low-voltage lighting systems in bathrooms. Low-voltage lighting systems can be a safe and energy-efficient option for bathroom lighting. The NEC provides information on the proper grounding of electrical equipment. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. The NEC provides guidance on the proper selection and installation of electrical boxes. Use only approved electrical boxes for all electrical installations. The NEC also addresses the use of flexible cords and cables. Use flexible cords and cables only in accordance with the NEC. The NEC provides information on the proper labeling of electrical equipment. Label all electrical equipment clearly and accurately. The NEC also addresses the use of surge protection devices. Surge protection devices can help to protect electronic equipment from damage caused by power surges. The NEC provides guidance on the proper installation of electrical equipment in hazardous locations. Follow these guidelines carefully to prevent explosions and other hazards. The NEC also addresses the use of renewable energy sources such as solar power. If you are installing a solar power system, be sure to follow all applicable codes. The NEC is a valuable resource for anyone who works with electricity. Use the NEC to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. The NEC is available for purchase from the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. The NFPA also offers training courses on the NEC. Consider taking a training course to learn more about the NEC and how to apply it. Many states and local jurisdictions have adopted the NEC as their electrical code. Be sure to check with your local authorities to determine which edition of the NEC is in effect in your area. The NEC is a complex document, but it is essential for ensuring electrical safety. Take the time to learn about the NEC and how to apply it to your work. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By following the NEC, you can help to prevent electrical accidents and injuries. Always be aware of the potential hazards of electricity. Never work on electrical equipment unless you are properly trained and qualified. If you are not sure how to do something safely, ask for help from a qualified electrician. Electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Respect electricity and follow all safety precautions. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work. Remember that local codes may vary from the NEC. Always check with your local authorities to ensure compliance with all applicable codes. The NEC is a minimum standard. You may need to exceed the requirements of the NEC to meet specific project needs or to address unique site conditions. The NEC is not intended to be a design manual. It is important to consult with a qualified engineer or designer to develop a safe and efficient electrical system. The NEC is constantly evolving to reflect new technologies and best practices. Stay informed about the latest changes to the code to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. The NEC is an essential tool for ensuring electrical safety. Use it wisely and follow its guidance to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. Consider the specific requirements of your project when selecting recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that are appropriate for the size and layout of the shower or bathroom. Consider the desired lighting level when selecting recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that provide adequate illumination for the space. Consider the color temperature of the light when selecting recessed lighting fixtures. Choose a color temperature that is appropriate for the task and the desired ambience. Consider the energy efficiency of the recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that are energy efficient to save money on your electricity bill. Consider the warranty of the recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that have a good warranty to protect your investment. Consider the ease of installation of the recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that are easy to install to save time and money. Consider the availability of replacement parts for the recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that have readily available replacement parts to ensure that you can repair them if necessary. Consider the cost of the recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that are affordable and meet your needs. Consider the overall aesthetic of the recessed lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that complement the style of your shower or bathroom. By following these tips, you can select recessed lighting fixtures that are safe, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. Electricity can be dangerous, and it is always best to err on the side of caution. The NEC is your guide to electrical safety. Use it wisely and follow its guidance to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards.